This is your client's wall, and this is the same wall after. A real photo with the product you designed right inside it in under a minute. In the left toolbar, click Realistic Render. A window opens with two options: describe the room in words or upload a real photo of it. Switch to the Real Room Photo tab. This is where you upload the shot. Click the Upload area and pick the photo from your computer. In a second, it shows up in the preview. The window scrolls to the next field, where to place it in the room. In plain words, insert the TV that will be inside the open compartment. And the colors? They already came in on their own, straight from your design. When everything's ready and you see it costs 2 tokens, click Generate Render. From here, the engine works on its own. It analyzes the room, places the product in the right perspective, and matches the lighting to your photo. Under a minute, and the render is ready. Drag the slider and see the exact same room, once empty and once with your product inside. From here, you can download the image to your computer, send it straight on WhatsApp, or stamp your own logo onto it. And that's the whole process, from the model you designed straight into your client's room. No photographer, no studio, no waiting.